Hello, I am your teacher Anis, and this is the 6th lesson of the 13th unit. What are you going to wear? What are you going to do after school? In this lesson we are going to add some time expressions to the future tense, as well as we are going to use the present progressive in the future tense. Have you ever used the present progressive in the future tense? Are you ready to have some joy with dolphin? Let's get started. I want you to open your book on page 123 and focus with me. The future with the present progressive tense. What is the present progressive tense? Is an action started in the present and kept progressing near to the future. And the future tense is an action didn't happen yet but expected to be happened in the future. So we often use the present progressive to define an arguments in the future, which is also correct to use, but English speakers usually use the present progressive when arrangements are certain. Like, for example, what are you doing now? I am explaining the lesson. What are you doing tomorrow? I'm going to have an exam. For example, he is wearing a suit now. He is wearing a suit to the graduation. The graduation is in the future, and he is going to wear a suit. So we either say he is wearing a suit to the graduation, or he is going to wear a suit to the graduation. And here we use the present progressive tense in order to express the future tense. When we use the present progressive to show the future, it's necessary to use the time expressions such as tonight, tomorrow, next week, next Thursday, next year, etc. These types of expressions are necessary in order to use the present progressive to express the future. Look at these examples. I am watching a film on TV this evening. I am leaving tomorrow morning. We are visiting friends on Saturday afternoon. As you see here, we have used the present progressive in order to express the future. However, what you notice here is the time expressions used for the future, like tomorrow morning or evening or Saturday afternoon. So some of the time expressions that we use in the future as on Tuesday morning, afternoon, evening, night, tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, this afternoon, this evening, and tonight. And now let's have some practice with dolphin. It's Qasim graduation on Thursday and it's Sunday here. So he's planning to have a party after the ceremony. Here is the schedule of Qasim. I want you to write sentences with the present progressive tense in order to talk about his arrangements. You can pause the video and write down your sentences. And these are the sentences. If you notice here, we have been using the present progressive tense almost with all the sentences in order to talk about the future arrangements of Qasim. And for our class activity, we are going to talk about the arrangements that you have in the future using the present progressive tense. That's everything for now, and see you on the class.